Nvidia denies rolling out a China-specific LPU by year-end. The company reaffirms its commitment to global innovation.
Nvidia has officially denied reports claiming it plans to ship a specialized AI processor to Chinese customers by year-end, confirming no such product exists on its roadmap. The denial follows claims from The Information reporting that small batch shipments of a new chip were slated for China this year, with early customer orders already placed. Reports describe the processor as a language processing unit using licensed Grok technology to accelerate chatbot response speeds alongside standard GPUs. The proposed hardware was alleged to comply with U.S. export controls after the next-generation Vera Rubin system became restricted from the Chinese market. Washington previously approved H200 AI chip deliveries to a limited group of major Chinese tech firms, including Alibaba, Tencent, and ByteDance. Chief Executive Jensen Huang previously acknowledged that Nvidia had largely conceded China's AI chip market to domestic competitor Huawei. While we acknowledge the challenges in China, we are more focused than ever on our global strategy. The AI inference sector continues to expand rapidly, intensifying competitive positioning and architectural innovation across global chipmakers. While navigating international trade complexities, Nvidia remains focused on its verified product lineup and advancing core artificial intelligence technologies,